everyone, you welcome back to NG Styles Organic Beauty Tips. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I make emergency disinfecting wipes. So we are making DIY disinfecting wipes. So I ran out of my wipes. This is the wipe I use this to disinfect my working area and around my lab, but I just ran out of my disinfecting wipe, so I'm just going to show you how I make it whenever I run out of it. Okay, so here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have starting from here, you need a paper towel. You can see I'm using this you can see the size little. I'm using this paper towel because I need something that will fit this hole. I want to reuse this container, so that's why my paper towel. But if you have a bigger container, you can go ahead and use the full paper towel. So you'll be needing some paper towel. So here I have water. I'm making 17% as a matter of fact. That's the strength is going to be 17% concentrated disinfecting wipes under. So the solution I'm making is going to have 17% strength. That's what I mean. So here I have distilled water. I'm using about 105 grams of distilled water, and here I have alcohol. I'm using 91% isopropyl alcohol. Then here I have about 10 grams of cocoa betaine and 1 gram of fragrance oil. You can use any fragrance you want. You can skip the fragrance if you don't like fragrance in your disinfecting wipe, but I need it to have a little scent, aroma. So I added just 1 gram fragrance oil, and I'm using rice flour and shea fragrance oil. So just 1 gram. Then I mix it in a 10-gram cocoa betaine liquid. You can see it. So I mix it. That's why it's foamy. So that I'm using it the cocoa betaine as the solubilizer to solubilize it in the solution we are making. Okay, so just these 3 ingredients or 4 ingredients are what you need to make the disinfecting wipes. The main cocoa here is the alcohol. Okay, so let's just get mixing this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this to the right size I want. So how I do it, put it together to measure, so I will know the amount where to cut from. So you measure it with the container, whatever container you are using. So I'm going to be needing it from here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. You can see I have cut it to the right size. So now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it into the container. See, it fits. So now we're going to mix the solutions. I'm going to mix the solutions. So here is the alcohol. I'm going to go ahead, add the distilled water to the alcohol. Then next, I'm going to add the cocoa betaine and the fragrance oil mixture. Remember, this is solubilizer. You can skip this part. You don't really need to use this if you don't want it, like I mentioned earlier. Then Then give it a good mix. The cocoa betaine will help give it a little slippery texture, like when you are using it, get that slippery. So we mix. You can see, there you go. We have our disinfecting solution. So next thing I'm gonna do now is take your solution, get this, and then we're gonna pour it, slowly pour it all over. We're not gonna use all the solution in this, okay? You don't want it to be too wet, dripping, no. Just pour it enough. You keep your solution. Anyone that is left, you can keep it. Whenever your wipes finish, you can make more with the solution. Just have to have the solution at hand. See? So after that, we'll take away the paper. You see? Take away the paper. So we're gonna go ahead and bring out, this is it. So when it's out like this, I'm gonna cover it, and then so once you draw out anyone out, so each time you want to use, you just take it out. Take the one amount. I don't want to waste anyone, but this is just it. You got your disinfecting wipe. Your own will be even stronger than the market ones because the strength is. So this is how to make disinfecting wipe at home. When you go to your local store and nothing for you to buy anymore, I mean when it comes to the wipes, so just come home, do this, and you have wipes. It's good for you to have wipes at home so that you can use it to wipe all around your home, the doorknobs, table, counter, kitchen counter, bathroom. You can use it in your wipe your telephone, your tub and shower walls, you know, and stove top, and your toilet, your seats, everywhere, you know. Okay guys, so this is it. It's just a simple and easy DIY disinfecting wipes. Do you see it? Disinfecting wipes. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.